Hello guys, Abhishek here, and about a month ago I made a video on 3 weird ways in which you can use your smartphone, and in this video I will show you more 3 of them. So let's start. Number 1. Take macro shots with the help of your phone. Now in order to take some amazing macro shots, you just need to put a drop of water on the camera of your phone and that's it. Now you can take some very good looking macro shots, and as you can see, this video I have taken with my phone. So as you can see, the ants look very big, and when I took my phone off from there and wiped the water from the camera lens, then as you can see, the ants look very small. It is very easy process, but the only difficult part in this whole process is putting the drop of water at perfect place. Number 2. Use your smartphone as security camera, and you can do this by installing an application called IP webcam. It is available on both Android and iOS. You can install on any of them, and after installing the app, just open the app and tap on start. Now when you will tap on the start button, it will give you a URL, so you just have to send that URL to the other phone from which you are going to observe, and just open that URL. After opening that URL, you just to see the live footage, you just have to tap on flash and then full screen, and now you will get the live footage of your home or wherever you have kept that phone. The only thing is required is just you need a high speed internet connection on both of the smartphones. And the best part is that it even works when the screen of your phone is off. Okay, the final trick is kind of a magic, and it will make you a magician. And you can do this trick with the help of just basic editing. You just need to take a screenshot of your home screen and then go to any photo editing application and just distort that image, and that's it. Then go to your computer or phone and transfer both photos and make it a video out of it. And make sure to put a transition between the two photos so that it does not look like a sudden change. And the final step is this. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Until then, save your time and watch 5-minute reviews.